Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of cupcakes.
Did you know cupcakes were originally called number cakes or 1234 cakes because of the recipe? Cupcakes gained popularity in the 19th century when they started being baked in small cups.
The world's largest cupcake weighed over 1,200 pounds.
There's a science to baking the perfect cupcake. Balancing ingredients and baking time is crucial.
Red velvet cupcakes are one of the most popular flavors worldwide.
The first mention of cup-sized cakes can be traced back to 1796 in Amelia Simmons's American Cookery. Cupcake ATMs are a real thing. You can find them in various locations, dispensing fresh cupcakes 24/7.
Cupcakes are often used for various celebrations, from birthdays to weddings.
During World War II, cupcakes were a popular treat in American households because they required fewer ingredients than larger cakes.
The most expensive cupcake sold for over $55,000 and was topped with diamonds. Cupcake liners were first patented in 1950 by an inventor named Malcolm McGuire. Cupcake Wars, a popular TV show, further increased the popularity of cupcakes.
Vanilla and chocolate are the top two preferred cupcake flavors.
Cupcakes are also known as fairy cakes in the United Kingdom.
The record for eating the most cupcakes in the shortest time is held by Patrick Bertoletti, who ate 72 in 6 minutes.
Sprinkles Cupcakes was the world's first cupcake bakery, opening in 2005 in Beverly Hills.
Mini cupcakes, often referred to as cake pops, have become extremely popular in recent years.
Cupcakes can be customized in countless ways with different flavors, fillings, and toppings. Cupcake shops have become trendy spots in many cities around the world.
Hostess Cupcakes, one of the most famous pre-packaged cupcakes, debuted in 1919. Chocolate cupcakes were actually the first flavor cupcakes ever created. Cupcakes are sometimes infused with liquor for an adult twist.
A traditional cupcake has frosting, while a muffin, which is similar in appearance, does not.
The largest display of cupcakes counted over 29,000 cupcakes.
Cupcakes are chosen as wedding cakes for their portion control and easy serving size. Cupcake frosting can be versatile, ranging from buttercream to cream cheese.
Cupcake cafes often offer a variety of drinks specifically complementing cupcake flavors. People often confuse the terms cupcake and muffin, but the two differ in texture and sweetness.
Hand decorating cupcakes has become an art form, with intricate designs and patterns. Different cultures have their own unique variations of the cupcake.
Organic and vegan cupcakes have gained traction in recent years due to dietary preferences.
Cupcakes are ideal for portion control compared to a full-size cake.
Frosting can be flavored to match or contrast with the cupcake base.
Cupcake bouquets are a popular gift item, presenting cupcakes arranged like flowers.
There are entire cookbooks dedicated to just cupcake recipes.
Cupcakes can be filled with various fillings like jam, cream, or chocolate.
Cupcake cones are a fun twist where batter is baked inside an ice cream cone.
The cupcake decorating kit is a popular product among home bakers.
Frozen cupcakes maintain their flavor and moisture well, making them an easy make-ahead dessert.
Many cupcake recipes have been adapted for gluten-free diets.
Cupcake toppers are a simple way to add flair to basic cupcakes without extensive decorating.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed these sweet cupcake facts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos.